morning, y'all. Welcome to today's vlog. Today is Sunday. I don't even know the day. Sunday, June 10th. So last night on IG, I asked y'all if you would like to see a regular weekend vlog or a different style vlog where y'all on IG get to pick out the day that Caleb and I kind of do through Instagram polls. So I posted on IG, because we're getting ready to go to church, what outfit I should wear to church. So outfit 1, I don't know if you can see that, or outfit 2. And it's been about 2 minutes, so far people are saying outfit number 2. I'm gonna let this sit for another like 5 minutes and then we'll see what outfit I'm gonna be wearing. But if you're not following me on IG, make sure you are right there, because you guys could possibly be picking my whole day in another video or the videos for the week. See y'all in the next clip. It has been about 14 minutes since I asked y'all on IG what outfit. So it was either this outfit or this outfit, and the votes are in. 65% of you voted for outfit 2, 35% for outfit 1. So outfit number 2 it is, and I don't gotta change. Got this shirt. It's just like a nice thin like professional blouse. I got this from Kohl's. Got these pants from Kohl's. They're like super thin jogger material. Actually no, these are JCPenney's. JCPenney's, and then I'm just wearing my cute little sandals I got from DSW on sale, clearance section. That's all I shop. It is currently 10 o'clock. We have to leave in about 15 minutes to get to this church. Or actually, no, we gotta leave in about 30 minutes. We need to leave around 10:30. Real quick though, y'all, if you haven't already, make sure my post notifications are turned on for YouTube, because I guess lately some of y'all have not been getting notified every time I upload. YouTube's kind of changing some rules, which is kind of dumb if you ask me. If you want to make sure you don't miss any of my videos, turn that little bell on up there. You're good to go. So that is it. I digress. I don't know where I'm going. We'll just dance because we're happy. Yeah. I just realized that I actually want some coffee this morning, so I went on Instagram, went on the poll. Oh, that's a cute outfit. Oh, girl, your outfit's cute. I went on Instagram stories, so I asked, should I make iced coffee or hot coffee? That was about 17 seconds ago. I will let this sit for about 10 minutes, update y'all, and see what you voted for. I'm very, very interested. I'm kind of hoping hot, but then a part of me is kind of hoping cold, because it's hot outside, but it's going to be cold in the church. The dilemma you see here. You see the dilemma I have. This is why I need you guys to vote. It's been 10 minutes. Let's check out what you voted for my coffee. If I want hot coffee or iced coffee. And 73% said ice baby. 27% said hot girl. So looks like I'm getting some ice baby. Dun-dun-dun-dun-dun-dun.
We are stronger, getting stronger every day. Every day. We are braver, getting braver in every way.
I think we found our church, y'all. So we checked out City Life Church out here in Tampa. There's 2 of them. We went to, I think, the bigger campus. But y'all, that's what we need. We haven't gone to church in about a month, maybe a little longer, just because of the move and everything. So it felt good to get settled, get back into the flow, and
it's only 16 minutes away from home.
And it's only 16 minutes away from home, so it's not even bad at all. But it's definitely what I needed, because I really have felt kind of disconnected from God lately and from my faith, just because we haven't gone to church. And I know going to church doesn't make you a Christian or anything, but for me, that's what I need to feel closer to God. So that was good. But now we're heading home because it's a hot one today. It is 93 degrees out. I'm loving life. I'm sweat. My back is probably like drenched out, but that's okay. I would rather sweat to death than freeze to death. Gonna get some food, so I'm gonna ask on Instagram stories for y'all to vote if I should make, I don't know, if I should make sweet and sour tofu or if I should make this tofu creamy pasta stuff that's really good for lunch. It's been about 51 minutes since I've checked. So the votes are in on what we should make for lunch, and it was between sweet and sour tofu and creamy tofu pasta. So 34% voted for tofu sweet and sour, 66% voted for tofu creamy pasta. So that is the verdict. Caleb is a little upset, aren't you, honey?
I don't want to talk about it. I just don't want to talk about it.
I'm going to change real quick because I'm sweating and I want to get comfy. So see you guys in a little bit for I don't know. I'll see y'all in a couple minutes. I'm gonna change and I'll show you my food when it's done. It's been a hot minute. I've obviously changed. I'm in way more comfier clothes. You okay, honey? We have a special guest here, my mother. Say hi, Mom.
Hi.
She's in town because tomorrow's actually a very exciting / nerve-wracking day. I have my first appointment at Moffitt, meeting my new doctor. I know I'm gonna be fine, but it is nerve-wracking because it's a new doctor. We are debating, so we need to ask y'all on Instagram stories what to do. Should we go to the pool or the dog beach? So I'm gonna take a picture of my picture up here.
We're getting stronger. We are stronger every day.
It has been a little bit since I asked on the poll, actually 41 minutes. Time is going by a little too quick. So 40% said yes for the pool, 60% said dog beach, so it's pretty close. This is the closest poll yet. Looks like we're going to the dog beach, but that's okay. We'll give Russell another bath. He's excited. Russ, you wanna go to the dog beach? You wanna go bye-bye?
Sisterhood helps the common good. We are stronger, getting stronger every day. Every day. We are braver, getting braver in every way. When the sky is
Come on.
What are you doing?
It's 7:50 at night. It really does not feel that late because it's still really bright out, but took Russ to the dog beach. He had a blast. He got a bath. He is pooped. So we are getting ready to relax on the couch. My mom, Caleb, and I, we have a very eventful and long day tomorrow. Kind of a nerve-wracking day, but it's gonna be fine. I asked on IG, this is gonna be one of the last few things that y'all get to vote on. So I asked you what we should watch to catch up on, because we have DVR'd a episode of Snapped that was on last night, and then we have to catch up on Jersey Shore. So this was 20 minutes ago. I asked y'all, what should we watch? 43% said Snapped, 57 said Jersey Shore, so it looks like we're watching Jersey Shore. Yes, it's a new episode of Jersey Shore. But so far, y'all have made this a very fun day. I actually have enjoyed this so far. So if you guys do enjoy this type of video, give this video a thumbs up. All right, guys, it is currently 10 o'clock. We are getting ready to bed. We're getting ready to bed? Okay. We're getting ready for bed, but usually at night, I always like to have a before bed snack, and it's usually a bagel or cereal. So I just asked y'all on IG, this is gonna be the last one that I ask y'all about, because then I'm going to bed. I will get back to y'all in about 10 minutes, because that was about 30 seconds ago. So I'll update you with my decision. Let's see what y'all have voted for. Alrighty. So it was between the bagel or the Cheerios for my late night snack, and the votes are in. Ooh, this was a close one. 42 said bagel it up, 58 says easy one, Cheerios. Looks like I'm having some Cheerios tonight, so I'm gonna pour myself a bowl of Cheerios, then I'm going to bed. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Don't forget to turn on my post notifications so you guys know every single time I upload. Give this video a thumbs up if you like this style of video and like to see kind of more of this style of video. And then that is it. I will see y'all in the next video because I'm going to bed after I ate some cereal. Love y'all. Night.